Been waiting for you. Hey baby, how you doing?
Hey baby, how you doing? I've been waiting for you. Alright, it's your girl and I am back with another video. And this is my first time doing like what do you call it, a taste testing video. So yeah, that's what we're doing today. My cousin and her boyfriend, they went on a vacation to Thailand or whatever, and they brought back some Thai snacks. So that's what I'm going to be tasting for you guys today. So here are all my snacks. Somebody has clearly already been eating these. Me. Sorry, I wasn't even gonna lie, I've been eating them. So I have about 5 things. Oh, you can't see these. 5 things that are authentic Thai snacks, and I'm going to be trying them for you. Alright, here we go. Alright, so the first one, since I already tried this, I'm just going to try it again for you guys. It is fish skins. This is probably the only thing that I can tell you exactly what it is, because most of the stuff isn't in English. Like the ingredients, if you can see them, it's not in English. Let me see if it'll focus. Yeah, you can see it's not in English. But this is fish skins. Oh my goodness. And they're similar to, you know, like the pork skins that people eat, the crackling, stuff like that. So let me just taste them on camera. They smell just like the regular cracklings, but dang. Apparently I'm not the only one that's been eating them, because they're almost gone. Oh my goodness, it's just crumbsy. Okay, let me just try one. Alright, so this is what it looks like, and it literally looks like fish skin. So it's good, but it's not something that you can just eat like as a snack. It's something to just try. Like, I wouldn't just sit around eating them, but if you're hungry, I mean, I guess it's a snack. So this is the second thing. This is baked squid. I only eat seafood. I guess you could call me a pescatarian, but I'm not, because I don't like putting labels on stuff. But yeah, so this is baked squid, and I haven't tried this one yet, but I'm about to try it for you guys. Y'all, if you've ever been to the circus, this is what it smells like. Like, it smells like the elephants at the circus. Elephants are my favorite animals, but this stank. So I'm really nervous to try this, because it smells so bad. It smells really bad. But here goes nothing. Alright, so somebody tried this too. It wasn't me, I promise. It was open, and the packaging says Squiddy. It says Squiddy. And then, I'm really nervous. It comes like in this little carton, and it looked like that. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna throw up. It really does smell bad. I can't even believe I'm about to actually try to eat this for y'all, but you know. Alright, let me hurry up. So yeah, this is baked squid, and oh my gosh, I really want to find a little piece. Okay, yeah, this is little. Alright, here we go. Oh my goodness, hold on. I'm sorry, y'all. And the sad part is, it's a piece that's stuck like in my back tooth. Oh my gosh. I should have brought water to do this video. Yeah. This is not the one. This ain't it. Oh my gosh, that tastes so nasty. Oh my goodness, I don't have to get it out of my teeth. Alright, on to the next thing. So this is some type of cake, but it's also from Thailand. I mean, I can't read that, so. But apparently this is cake. Yeah, so we're gonna try this, and hopefully it tastes better than that squid. I never smelled this. I have no knowledge about this one at all. So, okay, I don't even know how to open it. That's how knowledgeable I am, really. I don't know, y'all. I ain't trying to be sick. For real, for real. They smell like so much different stuff. It smells like some sour candy. Oh! It's just like each time I smell it, it smells like something else. Y'all, I thought this would be a nice little idea, fun video. My stomach hurt after eating that squid. I don't know about this, because it really don't smell good. It smells like sour candy. It smells like a horrible hookah. It smells like sweat. I really don't want to try it. Alright, well, I'll just do it anyway. I'm so scared. I don't even know how to get it out. Y'all, I think this one might be dead, because this, I might puke, for real. I already had to go spit that other stuff out. Like, what kind of cake is this? What, this, you can't, what, is there a different meaning for cake? What does cake actually mean? Because, you know, in America, we just take stuff and say it's whatever. Alright, I don't know what's going on. I'm trying to get this out, and alright, so here is my cake. It looked like earwax. This is cake. It looks like earwax. This is alright. Oh shit. Y'all, I'm OD dramatic, but I'm not being dramatic. This stuff stank. Alright. I'm gonna take one for the team and just try it for y'all. Alright. Here we go. Ah. No, y'all, I have to go get me some water and some napkins so I don't have to keep getting up. Number one. This tastes exactly how it smells. Whew, Jesus. Like, if I ever tasted number 2, I can imagine it tastes exactly like this. This is terrible. Wow. I expected something to be good. So, out of those 3 items, those fish skins are number 1 because those I can at least stomach. They taste like decent. this and this, no. So now I have, oh my goodness, I'm so scared just because it's this color. It looked like dirty lake water or something. I don't know, but it's some type of caramel, however you want to say it. It's something like that, and it has sesame seeds in it, or some type of seeds. It got something in it. So we're gonna try this one. Right, so we're just gonna open it up and try it. Hopefully it's not, I can't smell this one through the packaging. So hopefully it's not like OD gross. I'm actually hoping that it's at least a little bit decent. Like good. It actually smells like coconut. You know how like the Almond Joy smell? It smells like that. So I'm a little optimistic. Because all the other stuff, sorry for my language, smell like shit. It stank. Boo boo. And that's how it tastes too. So hopefully this one, I don't really like coconut stuff, but hopefully, you know. So this is it. I took it out of the package. This is what it is. Yeah, it gives me coconut vibes. And that's how it smells. Not too bad. Oh. Looks hard to season, but we'll see. Okay, this one is actually bust down. This one is good. I'm honestly surprised. This is really, really good. Y'all, this is good. Like, I'm trying to continue on with the video, but this kid not number one no more. This, oh my goodness, I'm so happy that it was good. Looks are really deceiving, because it looked gross, but this is, granted, I have no idea what it is I'm eating. I don't know what this is. It's good though. It's really good. And the fact that I just thought about, I don't know what I'm eating, just gonna wrap it on up. But this is delicious. It's really good. Alright. So on to my last item. This, which I also cannot read this name, but it just says milk tablets, and they're chocolate flavored milk tablets. Nobody has tried these yet, so I'll be the first one to try them. I think this is so cool. Like, I don't know. I have no idea what this is. I have no idea what any of this is, but YOLO. And it says right here, product of Thailand. Can you see it? Can you dig it? No? Not my focus? Alright then. Guess not. So, let's try these milk tablets. Or at least let's see what it looks like first. Dang, it thick like some Tums, huh? Cause it ain't trying to come out. Let me smell it. This smells exactly like chocolate cake. I don't know, but this is what it looks like. It looks like a Tums. Has the same texture as a Tums. I hate Tums. So let's see what it do. I'm scared again because it might be nasty. Alright, put your bitches on. Let's get it. We're gonna do this. Yummy. Delicioso. Y'all. It's not like, it don't taste like how that cake or that them squid bites taste. But it's definitely not good. Like, how can you mess up chocolate? Maybe it's actually milk. Like, I don't know. But if I had to rate these items in order, I would say whatever this caramel green thing is, that's number 1. And then these fish skins are number 2. Okay. Number 3. That one. This is 1, 2, 3. I'm just rate 1, 2, 3 because both of these, baby, this baked squid and this cake, no. It's a no for me. I don't even want to rate it. I don't want to think about it. I can't rate it because they were both totally, my taste buds didn't like them. So to me, they were gross. They were very disgusting. But yeah, that was just like me doing a little taste test for you guys for these foods from Thailand. If you like this video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and baby, I'll be waiting for you on my next video. Okay.
How you been? It's been a minute. I miss all your love.